In this video, I'm going to show you how we use Codewords to build a simple AI automation where we scrape the internet for all AI related news and I get a weekly summary giving me the most impactful news from the week. I want you to build me a web scraper that runs at 8 a.m. on Monday weekly with an email sent to my emails running through the most impactful AI news on the internet from the week before. So let's run this, let's see what Cody comes back with. Okay, cool. So within literally the first 5-10 seconds, it's already built the initial structure from what I've asked. It's gone through the Monday 8 a.m. scheduling, so it's already got the trigger point. It's got searching the AI news, so it's actually going to use this trigger to actually go through all of the AI news from the past week, scrape the article details. Oh wow, okay, so it's going to go through GPT and rank the news by the impact. So if we break down this visualizing the workflow, we can literally see what it's about to do. So we've got the inputs, it's got the steps, got stage 1 where it does the scheduling. It understands that it's going through weekly Monday 8 a.m. trigger every Monday. It's going processing, runs on schedule. And the thing that benefits me from this is I remember like when I used to work on NAN, going through each of these different steps took like, I don't know, maybe like 10-15 minutes each, but literally within 10 seconds it's done it all for me. Perfect, cool. So it says it's analyzed the workflow requirements, it's found a template for the work. The plan is to build a weekly AI news digest. Perfect. Searches for impactful AI news, gathers community insights. It's quite good. Uses AI to analyze and synthesize, sends a formatted email digest. Cool. Well, I actually have questions. Let's see if we can get it to do a little bit more work for us. So what I wanted to do is, can you add different sources of information? So I liked the idea of using Reddit. For this section, could you also add sentiment analysis? I want to know what others are saying about these impactful AI news stories. Let's see how it handles this. You know what's interesting? You know when you use an AI tool like ChatGPT, like it never really gives you like the human context behind it. So what I'm interested to see with this is, can AI replicate the human tone? Like will it use quote marks? Like what will it use to actually show me the human side of what the sentiment analysis I'm asking for? Right, so it's got a question for me. Let me just quickly see. For AI news sources, I'm planning to use Google News, right? So it's official articles, I like that. It's using Reddit and it's using Twitter for the real-time reactions. I love it, that's exactly why I asked for it. Would you like me to add hacker news for tech community perspective as well? No, it's not what I asked for, I don't want them. These 3 sources are more than enough. And then question number 2, for sentiment analysis, should I analyze all news stories found from the week or focus on the 5 to 7 most impactful stories to keep the email concise? Well, to be honest, what I want is just give me the sentiment on the 5 to 7 most impactful ones. My email becomes too congested. It has to be easy to read on a Monday morning. Perfect, let's go. I think we're actually quite close. So look, we've been running this for like 5 minutes and I've already got all of the information. It started to help me understand exactly what I'm going to be building. And look, it's already done it. One more question it's got. So which build approach would you prefer? Build first, test later, or test as we go? You see, Cody always asks this. And I think it's a really good thing for it to be asking, because like either we test as we go and we keep breaking things, or we build first and test later. Right now, I just want to see if it can get the work done. So let's build first and test later. Now, after a certain point, what I've realized when you work with Cody is that when it starts to start building, it has a to-do list here at the bottom where it literally tells you what it needs to do. So it's building the weekly AI news digest with the sentiment analysis. It's got literally just one task. Guys, if I'm going to be so real with you, like even though like I do pride myself on my AI automation skills, like I have had a whole business on this, I have to be honest, when I was building AI automation, sometimes this stuff used to get so boring. Like what Cody's building me now in like what 5-6 minutes, I used to take maybe like 2-3 days building this, because I just get so distracted across 100 different things. You see how many steps Cody's doing? Like imagine I'm building this and I'm getting errors, you know, I'm trying to fix issues and it just gets boring, or the work that I wanted it to do is just not doing. Just go on YouTube or listen to music or go get a snack. Like the benefit of using something like this is it's so precise, it's so accurate, it does it so quickly. I don't need to worry about it. And that's why I use this for all of my workflows now. Right, final bit is writing the code, it's thinking. writing more code, and thinking. So it looks like we're quite close, that it's got good progress. Now it's understanding that it needs to update the main endpoints to orchestrate the new workflow. And guys, if you're not really into AI automations and you're just an entrepreneur, then how would you understand what any of these things mean and do them properly, right? That's the benefit of using a tool like Codewords. Now look at this, use update fast API metadata. And I'm not sure if you guys have realized, but over the different questions that Cody's been asking me for the last 5-10 minutes, literally 5 minutes, as you can see, 12:59 right here, it's changed some of the workflow. So as we are iterating and adapting this workflow, Cody's also iterating what he's building for me. So that we are building exactly what we want, rather than just having an idea at the beginning and then just working towards it. We are iterating and adapting along the way. Right, okay, so look, Cody's found some bugs. Let's find out what they are. And guys, here's one of the biggest benefits of using Codewords, right? Like, it's actually finding the bugs for me. Now, I remember when I used to work on NAN, like you used to test the workflow, right? And once you test the workflow, it tells you if it works or if it doesn't work. Then I need to go into the workflow. I need to go into each of those nodes, find out where it's not working and why it's not working. But if you don't know code, if you don't know Python, what is the first step? You got literally no idea, right? So this is why I love using Codewords. It's so user-friendly. It's so like, it literally allows me to write in human language what I want from it and turn that into Python whilst building it. So look, it's built it out for me. I've successfully built your workflow, but there is a platform issue preventing deployment. Okay, cool. So let's see what it is. What I've completed is building it. So I get my weekly email. That's good. The Google News, good AI selection, Reddit sentiment, Twitter, beautiful. So everything's good. Next steps, you need to add credits to your Codewords wallet to deploy and test the workflow. Perfect. So let's go to Codewords and add credits. Perfect. So as we can see, so look, it's literally done the workflow for us. It's going to give us the weekly AI news digest. It's got the sentiment analysis. And guys, if I'm going to be honest, I genuinely didn't think that it was going to be doing that analysis for us. I want to see how it does it in email. So let's go into Gmail in a second and check it out. Right, it has a question. Let's see what it is. What email address shall I send the test digest to? Let's send it to my personal email address. I'm about to test the workflow by running it now. This will take 2 to 5 minutes to complete because it needs to do Google. It needs to search Google News, gather sentiment from Reddit and Twitter for multiple stories, and analyze everything with AI. Shall I proceed? Yes, let's run the test. And the benefit is, guys, once we set this up once, we're never gonna have to wait again. It's gonna do it for us automatically and have it ready for Monday, 8 a.m. And to be fair, whilst Cody does do all of this work and it might have errors, look, it's fixing the error right now. The benefit of this, on top of everything else, on top of all of the user-friendly workflows, getting the work done for you without you having to build random things, it's actually cheaper than those tools as well. It's cheaper than make.com, it's cheaper than NAN. It's a no-brainer for me. Cool, so it says it's actually built everything for me. So let me check my emails. Dylan, let me check my Gmail. There we go. It's me, sent to me. Let's have a look. Wow, it's even done some UI changes to me just to make it more professional. So weekly AI news digest, January 25th, 2026 is the exact date. I don't see any hallucinations. I see the community sentiments, right? So it's not yet widely discussed. Let's talk about the topic first, right? So the source is from Chemistry World. So it's told me where it's from. So I know that there's no hallucination. AI research tools benefit individual scientists, but may slow scientific progress. I think I actually saw that earlier this week when there was some stock price changes, and the community sentiment around it is that it's not widely discussed. The provided social media data only includes a retweet of the source article's general observations about you, right? So it's even giving us the source of the information, right? So it says from the Chemistry World. The next one is the genetic engineering and biotechnology news. It's from the Tech Explorist. The debrief, researchers discover AI language models are mirroring the human brain's understanding of speech. Okay, so it lets us also read the full article, takes us directly to the source of the information, so we can check if there are hallucinations. So this is incredible. And literally what, it took us 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes to build this entire workflow. So this is perfect. So let me close this up now. Let me close Google Mail, and then let's speak back with Cody. Cody's asking, did you receive the email digest in my inbox? Because I'm assuming that if I didn't receive it, it would then see if there's a bug that it can fix by itself. But I did fix it. So literally first time without any issues. Yes, I got it, Cody. Right, so this is actually really interesting. I didn't think it would do this. It's now making sure that the automatic weekly schedule works correctly without me having to do it again. So let's let it run it once more. And as you can see, as these green ticks happen on the right hand side, it's literally testing to make sure everything works. So it got past the GPT stage, it's formatted it, and now it's sending me another email. Cool, so the schedule is now active. Monday morning, 8 a.m, ready for me to digest all of my AI news. One more question, am I satisfied with the email digest? Yes, it's perfect. It literally is asking me if now that I've seen the actual end outcome, is there anything extra that I want to add to it? But this has been perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. So let's end this video right there.